In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Evernote. Whether you're looking to try out a different note-taking app or just want to reduce the number of subscriptions you have, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started right away, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you understand how to close your Evernote account properly. First, you'll need to log in to Evernote on the web. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Evernote's website. Enter your credentials to access your account. Remember, it's important to do this on Evernote's web platform, as some settings you'll need are not fully accessible through the mobile app or desktop versions. Logging in will take you to your main dashboard, where all your notes and notebooks are stored. Next, we'll need to navigate to where you can manage your account. You'll want to find the Account Info section. This can usually be located by clicking on your profile picture or your initials, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Account Info and select Profile from the subsequent options. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're in the right section by verifying that your username and email appear correctly on this page. Now, to begin the account closure process, look for the option that reads Close your Evernote account. This is typically found towards the bottom of the profile page. Click on this option, and you'll begin the process of closing your account. Evernote will guide you through this process, and it's likely to prompt you with some confirmation messages. These messages may ask you to acknowledge the loss of access to your notes and data once the account is closed. Be sure to read through these prompts carefully so that you're fully aware of what closing the account entails. Once you've agreed to the necessary prompts and confirmed that you do indeed wish to close your account, Evernote will ask you to enter your password. This is an important security step designed to ensure that only you, the account owner, can close the account. Enter your password in the space provided, and with that, you'll be all set. After you confirm, Evernote will mark your account for closure. Please note that you should download any notes or information you might need before following through with this process, as you will lose access to your account and data after closure. It's a simple process, and with these steps, you'll have no trouble closing your Evernote account. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to check Evernote's support resources for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.